Hi there. In this video we're going to put together card of the month, September 2025. You get the 100% free to cut design space file in our Cricut group, Cricut Explorer, Maker, and more. I'll link to everything in the description box below. So let's get into it. Oh, I found my tweezers. Been missing them for about a year. Found them on my dresser. Alright. So, let's see. Alright. I'm using digital papers. And I'm going to use this as my background paper. So I'm going to glue it onto the black matting. I forgot to cut my what's it called? Card base. So I'm just doing the card front right now. And I'll add it to a card base later. Alright. Whoops. It's kind of hard to see the black on the black. I'll do it this way so I can see. Okay, it's a little crooked. Just a little. Alright, that looks good to me. It's about as good as I'm going to get it. So I'm brayering over it to get a good adhesion. Alright, the next piece is the black, or well, on mine is black, is the belly band, kind of like a belly band. So glue that down. You can put it wherever you want. I'm putting mine off to one side. It's a little crooked. I'm crooked today. You'd think if you got it lined up at the top that it would be straight, but no. I think that's straight. It's as straight as I'm gonna get it. That's all I gotta say. Alright, so now that's the sentiment. My squares, I cut out little flowers. I did them kind of offset when I cut them out, when I sliced them from the squares in Design Space, because I thought it would be nice to have them offset instead of, you know, just the flower slap dab in the middle. Give it a little bit of interest. Alright, so I'm going to put the rose on. Put the rose on. And there's that one. Then I'm going to put the hydrangea in the middle. Well, I'm trying to pick it up with the tweezers. All right. It's got to be moved up some. Braid it down since I took it apart. Make sure that glue gets a good adhesion again. All right, then the tulip. All right. Before we put down the sentiment, I'm going to go on ahead and glue it together because I want to put the sentiment a little bit underneath one of these squares. That's why I moved my sentiment all the way over to here. But if you want to use a longer sentiment, after you can flip the the shape in Design Space and put it off to the side like that. But I'm just going to tuck it in. Whoops, got glue on my mat. All right. Trying to pick it up. All right. Okay. So now, I'm not going to pop dot or anything. I'm just going to glue them straight down into their assigned holes, or not holes, locations. All right. So before I do that, I want to see where I want to put this. I was thinking underneath the rose. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it underneath the rose. All right, glue them down to their location or placement. Place them. These line up exactly with the squares. It's a square right here. So they line up exactly. So there shouldn't be no, whatever color you cut out, that band part out, shouldn't be able to see it. Alright, so then going to glue that underneath. So I'm going to glue a little bit right here put a little bit of glue right there on one side, since I'm going to alright. Then I'm going to put glue right here and stick it up in there. And hopefully that'll be enough. Should I just glue it down? No. Okay. Alright, and then a little bit behind it. Alright. 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 There. I got it. This is what my card's gonna look like. So I'll link to everything in the description box below. And I guess that's all. Thank you for watching. Hope to see the card you make with it, with the file. Bye.